Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get plotting top center edge panel to launch quickly any app or file in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Launcher, and the first list will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see here below download option. Just click on download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click the software installer, click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. I will see here one floating bar is appearing on the top center of my computer screen. So just click on it. I will see here already added some software or programs, so you can add more by clicking on this plus, and you can either add applications or you can add a file also if you wish, or you can open a folder also and you can group under different groups. So I will add here application. So I'm selecting this open application. Just click on this button. Now select the respective application that you want to add. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now you can see I've added my own application, and now you can see here the settings icon. Just click on it. Now under the settings options you will see various options: general, buttons, groups, edge panel, and other. So let us go through one by one. Under the general you will get the automatically launch on Windows startup. If you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer, then just keep it as it is, and you can change the theme depending upon your needs, which theme you want to apply here. And you can change the button columns. So I'll just add it to 5 and click on OK. Now you can see it will show in a single line a 5 number of programs or softwares, and below you can see here display actions. So there are two options: button press on edge panel or hover over edge panel. So I'll just keep the first one, and display animations, drop down, fade in, arrow, and none. So these are some options you will get inside the display animations, and you can even change the button fonts also if you wish, and even the header fonts also if you wish, and even you can change the size of the button fonts. You can increase or decrease. You can change the style. You can change the size of the header fonts also, or you can change the style also. So these are the options you will get inside the general tab, and next to it is the buttons. So here you can change the layout of the launcher application, so you can select different options depending upon your needs. So I'll just keep the first option, and then you can customize the style depending upon your needs. You can make it small or large, or the image positions also, top or left, wherever you want to change. I'll just keep the first one, the style one, and next to it is the groups. You can either edit or add your own groups, or you can add multiple groups also depending upon your needs. Next to it is the edge panel. So here you can change the colors, different colors of the bar. And the last one is the other, where you can change some options like outside margin, left indent, and button spacing. So these are the options you're gonna get inside the settings. So once you're done, just click on OK. Now you need to just click on this top bar in order to access your favorite applications, and you can just click on it, quickly launch the different programs. So by using this application named as Launcher, you can easily get plotting top center edge panel to launch quickly any app or file in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.